and its major cities. The country is situated in southwest Europe, occupying most of the Iberian Peninsula as well as the Canary and Balearic Islands included such famous islands as Ibiza and Majorca. The population is 46 million people. The main language here is Spanish. The country consists of 17 autonomous regions, each of which has its own culture and traditions. Many of them have their own language, for example, Basque, Catalan, and others. 76% of the population lives in the cities, the largest of which are Barcelona. Barcelona is the cosmopolitan capital of Spain's Catalonia region. It is the Europe's largest metropolis on the Mediterranean coast. The city is famous for its 19th century modernist architecture and historical monuments, including 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The most popular one is the unfinished church Sagrada Familia, which was designed by Antoni Gaudi. It also has numerous recreational areas, one of the best beaches in the world. With millions of visitors per year, it is considered one of Europe's most important tourist destinations. Madrid, the capital of Spain and one of the largest cities in Europe, where modern business centers, medieval architecture, wonderful nightlife peacefully coexist in a city of elegant boulevards and expansive manicured paths such as the Buen Retiro. It is renowned for its rich repositories of European art. Valencia, the third largest city in Spain after Madrid and Barcelona with around 800,000 inhabitants, offers a more relaxed lifestyle. It is famous for its city of arts and sciences with futuristic structures including a planetarium and an oceanarium with an interactive museum. It is no secret that many people from northern European countries come to Spain for the excellent climate. The average annual number of sunny days exceeds 260. Seville. It is the capital and the largest city of the Spanish autonomous community of Andalusia and the province of Seville. It is situated on the lower reaches of the river Guadalquivir in the southern west of the Iberian Peninsula. Seville was founded as the Roman city of Hispalis. After the Muslim conquest in 711, it came to be known as Ishbilia. Seville became one of the economic centers of the Spanish Empire as its post monopolized the transoceanic trade and the Casa de Contratación, House of Trade, wielded its power, which started a golden age of arts and literature. Coinciding with the Baroque period of European history, the 17th century in the Seville represented the most brilliant flowering of the city's culture. Zaragoza, also known as Saragossa in English, Zaragoza is the capital city of the Zaragoza province and of the autonomous community of Aragon, Spain. It lies by the Ebro River and its tributaries, the Huerva and Gallego. The city is famous for its folklore, local cuisine, and landmarks such as the Basilica del Pilar, La Seu Cathedral, and the Aljaferia Palace. Together with the Lasio and Aljaferia, several other buildings form part of the Mudéjar architecture of Aragon, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Fiestas del Pilar, which is celebrated every year in Zaragoza, is one of the most celebrated festivals of Spain.